So you might have accidentally deleted your file, formatted the wrong drive, and think your data is gone forever. Then wait, before you panic, there is a free tool that can bring it all back. So your photos, document and videos and even the entire partition can be recovered in a minute. Okay, so right now I am on my Windows 11, and for the demonstration purpose I will show you this pen drive. And if I bring it up, so you can see I have 2 videos here and few photos. Now there can be 2 different scenarios. Either you have deleted them permanently from this partition, or probably you have formatted the entire partition. So in both the cases you can easily recover the data. And what I will do here right now, you can see I have the data in this drive, and I will be recovering all these 2 photos and 2 videos. So let me right click on it and click on format. Then I will click on start again, click on OK. Alright, so the format is completed. Now if I close it, so all the data has been deleted, all the data has been formatted. And you also may have the same scenario where you have accidentally deleted the data or accidentally formatted the wrong partition. So in order to recover the data, what you will have to do, I will be sharing the link in the description. You will have to come to this website. And here you will find different releases. So you will have to go with the top one, that is test disk and photo rack WIP data recovery. And below you can see you can use it for the Mac, you can use it for the Linux and even for the Windows. So I'm using Windows 64-bit, so I will click on the first one. And the downloading of the tool will be started, and it's around 28.9 MB, so it won't take much time, so you will have to wait. Alright, so once downloaded, open the downloaded folder. Right click on it. Click on extract all, click on extract. Once extracted, you will be getting this kind of folder, bring it up. Now here you have to scroll down a bit and you will have to look for a file by the name photorack.win.exe. Once you get it, make a right click on it, click on run as admin. Windows protected your PC, so no problem, click more info, click run anyway, click on yes. And this will bring up this kind of black window over here. Now here, before starting, one thing I would like to clarify guys, that is very important. Now whenever you lose any kind of your data, where your data has been deleted or you have accidentally formatted any wrong disk or partition, you should immediately stop using that particular partition or that disk and do not do any kind of transfer or saving any kind of other kind of data on it. Why I'm saying this? Because if even after deleting your data, you keep storing other new data, then it can be overwritten and the process of recovering the data can be a bit complicated. So always keep in mind, whenever your data has been deleted or you have formatted the wrong partition or disk, you should immediately start using this process in order to recover the data so that it can be easy for the data software as well. Alright, now once you will come here, it will list you all kind of your disk connected and it says select a media and choose proceed using the arrow keys. Now you will have to identify your pen drive. So the very first one is 512, that is my e-data and that is my main partition, main SSD. Then I have 1000 GB SSD, that is my external SSD. So no, even this is not my main drive. Then I have a hard disk, external hard disk, that is around 500 GB. Then I have another pen drive of 62 GB. And then below I have this USB. If you're not sure, then you can bring up the file explorer and look for the size of that pen drive. So this was the pen drive that I formatted in the beginning. According to the size, I can look here. Once I get it, I will select and hit the enter key. Alright, now next it will say you want to recover the data from the entire partition or from any other partition that is being listed below. So if you're not sure, then you can go with the first option, that is whole disk, and again hit the enter key. Now next it says to recover the lost file, Photorack need to know the file system type where the file were being stored. Means the Photorack software want to clarify, want to know that the data you have deleted from the partition or from the disk, what kind of file system it contain. Now if you're not sure, then basically what you can do, you can again bring up the file explorer, right click on that disk, click on properties, and it will show you the file system over here. Now on Windows, most probably the file system should be NTFS or FAT32. So what you can do, you can choose the second option only and hit the enter key. Next it says please select a destination to save the recovered files to. Do not choose to write the file to the same partition they were stored on. So finally you will have to select the destination where your deleted data can be recovered to that particular place, and you will not have to choose the same disk or same partition. So what I can do here, I can again bring up the file explorer. So I can't save the data on this same partition here, so I can choose another one, that is my external SSD. So I will bring it up and then I can make a right click here, over up to new, choose folder, and I can name it like recovered data or whatever you want to. Okay, so once you have created the folder where you want to save the recovered data, now again you will have to come back to the same page here and you will have to choose the directory where exactly you have created the folder. So by default you can see it's been selected to the directory C, but on my end the folder that I have created is the E drive. So what I have to do, from your keyboard you will have to press the left arrow key and it will go back. Now you can choose the E drive, again hit the enter key, and this time if you press the down arrow key you will find that folder that you have created. So keep scrolling down until you find the recovered data folder that we created, and here it is. So you can see that I got my folder that I created where I want to recover my data. Now once you get it, again you have to select it and hit the enter key. And now finally it says press the C key when the destination is correct. So I will press the C key because the destination is correct. And bingo, so now you will find that the recovery process has been started, and it may take some time depending that what is the size of your disk and what kind of data it has to be recovered. Alright, so have some patience until the process is being completed. And even you can check the status and it says it's been recovered, the file has been recovered. And this is the best speciality of this tool is that it works deeply and very professionally in order to recover the data, the deleted data. Alright, so finally let's wait until the process is being completed. Then I will show you that how easily I recovered my formatted data with this free tool. Okay, so bingo, now you can see the process has been completed and it may take some time depending that what is the size of your USB and what is the size of the data you are trying to recover. Alright, so once it will be done, now you can minimize it or even you can close it. And this time, if I go to the same destination where I created a folder to save the recovered file, so that was my E drive, and I created a folder by the name recovered data, this one. And if I bring it up, now you may file different kind of directories. So you can start with the first one. And if I bring it up, let me make the size bigger here. These are the videos that was being deleted. And even if I open it, so you can see the video is working absolutely perfect. And these two were the images. I believe you remember when I tried to delete it. So now what I can do, whatever data I lost, I can just simply select it. Then either I can cut or copy. I will go back to my same USB from where I lost the data and I will paste it. And amazing. Now you can see all the files that were being deleted, that were being formatted. I recovered them back. And I can make it large icon so that you can see the preview. So these were the 2 photos and 2 videos that I lost. I formatted from my pen drive, but now I got it back. And this is the only best part of this tool is that it recovers the data perfectly, and the chances of recovering the data is almost to 98 to 99%. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found the video informative. And if yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.